Today we are converting text manipulation, so let's get started. First of all, drag any image in Photoshop and place it according to your wish. I am taking a banana transparent image for this task. I will share picture link on description so you can download it and practice it by yourself. After placing this picture, I am taking text tool from the toolbar and write banana. Place your word on banana and transform it according to picture. For transforming, press Ctrl+T from keyboard. For proper placement, I am selecting transform warp modes, and after that I am applying lower arc warp on text. You can take any image or text, but text must be touch on object upper and lower part accurately. After that, rasterize your text layer. According to my object, text touch with lower part but not upper part. For fixing this problem, I am taking again transform warp modes and place it according to my object. Guys, if you are new on Adobe family channel, so subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you can notify our new videos. After the placement of text, right-click on your object layer and rasterize it. Now make a layer mask on the object layer. Click on mask layer and fill with black color by pressing Alt and backspace. Your object will be hide. After that, hold and press Ctrl button and click on text thumbnail for getting text selection. Hide your text layer and select object mask layer. After that, make sure your foreground color must be white, and fill white color on mask layer by pressing Alt and backspace. Now select brush tool and paint on that area of object where you can return the object. Remove unwanted appearance of banana. You can remove it with the help of masking. Make sure your foreground color is black. For removing unwanted area, paint on it. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe Adobe family channel and click on bell icon so you can get notification of our videos.